up. Hello, students.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm fine. Sit down, please. Open your book and notebook. Right. Today is the 11th of April on Monday. Okay. Now listen carefully, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Sun, sun. Sunny, sunny. Cloud, cloud. Cloudy, cloudy. Windy, windy. Foggy,
Okay, that's all. Okay, now you are bright. How many words do you know? Right. Okay, you ready? Okay, ready? Okay, stand up, please.
Sun, sunny, cloud, cloudy, windy, foggy.
Okay, very good. Following is very good. Please stand up, please.
Sun, sunny, cloud, cloudy, windy, foggy.
Very good, very excellent. Please stand up, please,
Sun,
Arjun.
sunny, cloud, cloudy, windy, foggy.
Okay, very good. Anna, stand up, please.
Sun, sunny, cloud, cloudy, windy, foggy.
Okay, very good. Please stand up.
Sun, sunny, cloud, cloudy, windy, foggy.
Okay, very good. Introduce stand up, please.
Sun, sunny, cloud, cloudy, windy, foggy.
Okay, very good. And today we are going to talk the weather. Okay, weather. The weather. The weather. Okay. Okay. Look at the picture. What is it? Stand up, please.
It is raining.
Rainy. It's rainy day. It's rainy day, okay? Next picture. Stand up. Snowy. It's snowy. It is snowy day. Raise your hand. Put your stand up, please.
It's sunny.
Sunny. Sunny day. Sunny. Okay. Next one. Father, to stand up, please.
It is windy.
Windy. It's windy day. Stand up, please.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Okay, very good. It's cloudy day. Cloudy. Stand up, please.
It's foggy.
It's foggy. Very good. It's foggy day.
It's hot.
It's hot. Coco, you stand up.
It's hot.
It's hot. You stand up.
It's hot.
It's hot. Ekbet, you stand up.
It's hot.
It's hot. Okay, very good. It's hot. Good. Raise your hand. Others, you stand up.
It's cold.
It is cold. You stand up, please.
It's cold.
It's cold. Sit down, please. What is it?
It is warm.
It is warm.
It
Hold
is
down.
warm.
It is warm. And Indra, stand up, please.
It is warm.
It's warm. Okay, now write in your notebook weather vocabulary. Write. Okay. Now all of students stand up, please. Stand up, please. Sing a song. Stand up, please. Okay. You know the weather song, okay? Weather song. Okay. What's the weather?
What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is sunny, it is rainy, it is snowing day. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is cloudy, it is foggy, it is windy day.
Okay, the last one. What's
What's
the
the
weather?
weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is sunny, it is rainy, it is snowy day. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is cloudy, it is foggy, it is windy day.
Okay, thank you very much. Sit down, please. Very good. Okay, now. What's the weather like today? You stand up, please.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. Okay. What's the weather like today?
It's foggy.
It's foggy. What's the weather like today?
It is foggy.
It is foggy. Okay. What's the weather like today?
It's cold.
It's cold. Very good. Sit down, please. What's the weather like today, Anuja?
It's cold.
It's cold. It's and snowy. Snowy and cold. Okay. Okay. What's the weather like today? Do you understand that, please?
It is rainy.
It is raining. What's the weather like today? It is. Indra, stand up, please.
It is rainy.
It is raining. Okay. It is raining. What's the weather like today? Gutenberg, stand up, please.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Okay, very good. Okay, what's the weather like today? Hotline, stand up, please.
It is windy.
It is windy. Very good. Dancing, stand up, please.
It is windy.
It is windy. Very good. You stand up, please. What's the weather like today?
It is windy.
It is windy. Very good. Okay. Last one pictures. What's the weather like today?
It is snowy.
It is snowy.
It's snowy.
It is snowy.
It's snowy.
Okay, very good.
It's snowy.
It is snowy.
It's snowy.
It's snowy.
It's snowy.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay. Okay, now read this word. Read.
What's
Okay.
there? Weather. Like today.
Today. Okay. Okay, now.
What's the weather like today?
It is.
It is cloudy. What's the weather like today? It is cloudy. What's the weather like today? It is cloudy.
It is cloudy. Okay, very good. Okay, and write in your write. What's the weather like today? Write. Okay, here. Look at that.
What's the weather like?
Wait. What's the weather like in? In. What's the weather? Okay. What's the weather like in Cheongsam? What it is sunny in Cheongsam? Okay. What's the weather like in Arhanga or Beijing? Okay, very good. It's windy in Arhanga. Okay. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay. Raise your hand who wants this.
What's the weather like in Japan?
What's the weather like in Japan? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Sit down, please. Stand up, everyone.
What's the weather like in United States of America?
Okay, very good. Good job. Answer. Okay.
What's the weather like in London?
Okay, very good. It
It is cloudy.
cloudy in
London.
London. Okay, the next one. Stella, please.
What's the weather like in Canada?
Okay, very good.
It is windy in Canada.
Okay, very good. Sit down, please. And write in sentence. Ask and answer. next one is. Now correct answer is it's sunny. Second, it's rainy. Third, it's snowy. Fourth, it's windy. Okay. So draw the picture. You said you saw whiteboard. Okay. Hurry up. I will give you 1 minute. That's all. Finish. Finish. Yes. No. Finish. Yes. No. Finish. If you finish, raise your hand. Finish. Yes. Okay. First it is. Third group. Yeah. Time is over. Time is over. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now. First picture is today is sunny. It's correct. Yes or no?
Yes.
And second curve is yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Which one is here? Sunny. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Next picture is a windy. 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 Where is it? Windy.
No.
It's no. It's correct. Yeah, I'm correct. Okay.
Yes.
Where is cloudy, windy, windy? This one is which one is it?
Yes.
No.
No.
It's no. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 It's yes. Which one is?
Yes.
Windy. Yes. Correct. It is cloudy.
No.
No. Correct.
Yes.
Cloudy.
Yes.
Cloudy. Yes.
Yes.
Cloudy.
Yes.
It's yes. Okay. This is third group. This is first and second. Second. It's the first. Okay, first. Okay. Okay, next. Huh?
No.
Anton?
Yes.
Okay. How many sentences? 1, 2, 1. Here is count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's free. It's free. It's 1. This second group, you are made a mistake. 2 mistakes. Okay. Okay. Now. map, Mongolian map, and ask and answer. Ask the question and answer, okay? Thinking about it. Alright, and what's the weather like in Ops? What's the weather like in Ops? What's the weather?
It is sunny in Oz.
It is sunny in Ops. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Next. Zahom, how about you? Could you stand up, please? Ask students.
This
Ask, what's the weather like?
this windy in
No. What's the weather like in Zahom?
what's the weather like in
What's the weather like in Zahom? What was the stand up?
It is windy in
It is windy in Zahom. Okay, sit down, please. And you stand up, please. Ask.
What's the weather like in Musul?
What's the weather like in Huksu? You stand up, please.
It is snowy.
It is snowy in. It is snowy in Huksu and windy. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, next. How about the Ankara? What's the weather like in Ankara?
It's snowy in Ahlan.
It's snowy in Ankara. What's the weather like in Ulaanbaatar?
It's sunny in Ulaanbaatar.
Okay. What's the weather like in Ulaanbaatar? Can you stand up, please?
It is sunny in Ulaanbaatar.
Okay, very good. Okay, how about the Squatter? What's the weather
What's the weather like
in?
Squatter?
What's the weather like in Squatter? Would you look stand up, please?
It's sunny in Squatter.
It's sunny and cloudy. Okay, cloudy in Squatter. Okay, sit down, please. Okay. How about the Umulgal? What's the weather like in Umulgal? What's the weather like in Umulgal? Stand up, please, Umulgal.
It is windy in Umar.
Okay, very good. It is windy in Umulgal. Very good. Okay. And write 2x. Choose the 2x. Right. 2x. homework. Look at the newspaper. Do you know newspaper? This is the newspaper. And this is the newspaper. And forecast. Look for a forecast. And write about it in Mongolian. And 5 questions and 5 answers. Okay? Here is a Mongolian forecast. You get, okay? And then write, translate into Mongolian. And 5 answer, 5 ask. Okay.